All right, welcome. Welcome to F5 201 TMOS Administration Certification Prep. My name is Eric Mitchell. We're going to talk about getting set up and studying and going through the material for the 201 TMOS Administration exam from F5. Today's agenda, we're going to go through a little introduction on myself, in case you didn't watch the 101. And we're going to talk a little bit about test registration for the 201. We're going to cover all of the topics for the exam and move into what's next for the 300 level exams. So my name is Eric Mitchell. I work for F5 Networks. I am the Channel SE for the East Coast and Federal. I've been doing network engineering for a long time. I've been doing F5 networks for quite a bit of my career, from early versions 4X through current 11X versions. I am a certified F5 instructor. I am an F5 Guardian certified engineer when I was working in the VAR industry for the last 7 years outside of F5. So I've been doing this for quite some time, and today I'm going to walk you through what it's going to take to get ready and get prepped for the 201 exam. So if you haven't registered for your exam already, I suggest you do it. It does set a nice guideline or a nice timeline for you to be able to get out there and say, I've got a deadline to get out and get this test exam done. So you got to get registered for it. You should already have all of your IDs set up from F5 and Pearson VUE to be able to take the exam, because to take the 201 you have to have previously taken the 101 exam. So for 201 you're going to need to get the study guide and get some studying done. You're going to need to get out there and get logged into the certification.f5.com site. Log in with your ID. Look at your history on the left-hand menu on the website, and you should be able to see that you have passed the 101 exam, and the 201s are now available to you to take. This should correlate to Pearson VUE, so when you go log in with your Pearson VUE ID that you should have already had from when you did your 101 exam, you should see that the 201 exams are available to you, not necessarily these 300s. This is a screenshot from mine. But the 201s are available for you to go take. So you can set up your date and get registered to take the exam. Go out, download the 201 study guide, which you should have available to you right now. In fact, using it as we go through the class will probably help you make notes of where you need to study or where you think you need to read. It's a good thing to do. This exam is not going to be as much of book knowledge as the 101 was. This exam is going to take a lot more hands-on and a lot more knowledge of the F5 interface and how it operates, how the operating system works. So for most people who are taking this exam, they're going to need to spend some time doing some hands-on VLabs, or at least get into your own F5 box in your labs. If you've got a physical box, it's a good thing. If you don't, the VLabs are available for you. If you need to go back and review this CBT, it is going to be available out there for you guys to watch, which is what you're doing right now, and you can be able to watch it over and over again as you need to review some topics. So for the exams we're talking about today, we're talking about the 200 level exam, TMOS Administration. It is one of 2 exams you need to pass to become F5 Certified Administrator Qualified. This is the certification necessary for the Unity program for all of our partners within the F5 Unity program. The exam structure is multiple choice, so it's going to be just like the 101 you've already taken. Very straightforward. It's a multiple choice, so the answer that you're looking for is always there. Of course, the most common wrong answers are usually typically there as well. It is not adaptive, so it's not like other industry exams that will query you on a topic, and if you get it wrong, they'll query you a little deeper on that same topic. We have a set bank of questions we're going to ask. You get 80 questions in 90 minutes. So it's even worse than the 101 when it comes to time for questions. Time is not your friend on these exams. You need to get in, you need to read the question, you need to assess, understand, and answer the question and move on. There are no command line engines. So if we ask you a question around our command line system, what is the command that makes this entry or does this type of an entry, there is no engine we're going to drop you into that you have to type out the command in. You're going to be able to read. It's still an A, B, C, D, E multiple choice question. Make sure when you're viewing exhibits, if you didn't run into this in the 101, make sure that when you view exhibits that you view the entire exhibit, scroll the corners, because if you open the exhibit to look at it and then see what you need to see, close it, answer the question, and hit next, it's going to say you didn't view the entire exhibit. You're going to have to reopen the exhibit and scroll the corners, close it again, and then move on. And that doesn't help you when it comes to time. And this test is even tighter than the 101, so make sure you do that.